Part 4. Manifesting Beautiful Life. We all hear about manifesting beautiful life. Do you think it's easy or it's hard? Do you think it can be done or not? Ask yourself those questions. Every time you want to create something, as every idea you think about and every belief you had can be a block and activate delays through the process. However, in this book, we are talking about manifestation. So anything can be done, anything can be created, but the question is how can that be achieved? You will have a lot of practices in this book to assist you in clearing your belief and transforming them into highest and best way. You notice that I'm repeating the terms in the highest and best way. And why? I will tell you later. The power of your subconscious mind will bring you all what you want, but you have to bring this in a complete way. I want your subconscious mind to create the highest and best way. It will find the best and easy way for you to clear what needs to be cleared easily. Let us talk about manifesting a divine partner, soulmate, or twin flame. All these terminologies are the same. What difference is what you want and how you feel towards it, towards yourself and the other person. Take a deep breath. And now I want you to relax, because you will have it if you are ready for it. Now, I want you not to think about your past experiences or past relationship or anything that had let you disappointed before. Move forward in your journey and love yourself. Appreciate everything in your body. Love your body. Give it a healthy food, because vitamins fight sadness. Do not think about cheating, just focus on yourself. There are so many experiences on this planet. There are the good experience and there are the one that let you learn more. However, you are now here to fix your soul and to create better you. You may tell me that you had tried to believe in this many times before, but it didn't work. But now I'm telling you that you were not ready, but now you are. Believe me and believe in yourself. And of course, always do meditation and healing, as they are the key to this process. To start, you have to clear. Like any other trauma, anything that is blocking you from having a true relationship. First, write what you want in this relationship in general, how you want it to be. And let me tell you, here you have to be very specific. For example, I may call that person who I love the most to show himself to me or herself to me, to love me in the highest and best way, to wake up together every day, drink juices or have breakfast together, taking care of each other, loving each other's. Be creative and believe that you will have all the things when you're ready. Everything has its own divine timing to happen, and everything will happen on time. You keep what you wrote with you, and you have to read it for 21 days to let the universe vibrate with this feeling of having it as real. After that, you just put yourself into receiving mode. Don't block yourself from going out or having fun or even traveling. Keep the energy of motivation and trust in yourself without worrying or doubting anything. And every time doubt pop into you, go deep inside yourself through meditation and clear this doubt. And of course, this doubt coming from the past or from society or even from movies. The more you clear negative vibes, positive vibes will appear by themselves. Be still, be relaxed, make yourself aligned, balanced in your life, in your daily routine. Give yourself time to rest, to love, to be happy. Allow yourself to receive love and understand that you are 100% worthy of that love.